एमपीटीन गाळ काडपाचे वावराक थंयच्या थळाव्या नुस्तेमारांनी निषेध केला। हाका लागून पारंपरीक नुस्तेमारी वेवसायाक मार बसपाची शक्यताय आसा। तशेंच कोर्टान केस आसतना एमपीटी कामाक सुरवात करपाक शकना। कोर्टान केस आसली तरी नुस्तेमारी बंदीच्या काळा उपरांत कामाक सुरवात करूं येता, अशें एमपीटीचे अध्यक्ष जयकुमार हांणी सांगला। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
We have taken a lot of measures. So we can say we have opened a new environmental cell also in the civil engineering department, and retired pollution control board member is our consultant. Moreover, we have taken a lot of steps. Even our terminal also we advised to do the zero pollution level. That is in a very precautionary measures, everything to be handled. While handling now, both the terminals are having a mechanized handling system. So we are planning at present 95% is moved by rail. Our idea is almost 98% should go by rail, so that the road transportation and the related issues also can be solved. And the monitoring devices now we are procuring 12 locations. That also will be placed in 2 to 2.5 months. And apart from that, lot of measures now. Fogging cannons also we are planning to procure now. Already tender will be floated now. That is, fogging cannon means we'll have a fixed cannon and a mobile cannon. Mist, it will make a water mist also. Additional pollution control mode measure, pollution control measure from our side. So with all the measures, the pollution now so-called now actually it is within the limit. Even then also, we as a precautionary measure we wanted to take all these steps. Already we have taken steps and we continue to take, and we will ensure that we will not exceed the prescribed limits already given by the pollution control board. And regarding this 25% cut given by the pollution control board, they have taken different parameters. See, there are two types of monitoring: source pollution and ambient air quality monitoring. So the instrument is located in a source pollution, but if you compare with the ambient air quality standard, then you cannot compare. You cannot compare two different things. So that's what we are requesting pollution control board. You fix a standard for the source pollution similar to ambient air quality standard is there. Then you compare and tell us. So that's what we are requesting. So pollution control board is based on the source monitoring device. They are compared with the ambient air quality parameter. That is not correct. So we are raising based on the merits. So our levels are within the limit prescribed by the pollution control board. So we already have sent a letter to pollution control board also to review the decision. So we are actually requesting them based on merits and as per the pollution control board norms only.
त्यांच्यानी 5%, 10%, 20% म्हणून ड्रेजिंग करून आजचे 60% मोर देन 60% ड्रेजिंग केलं। आणि आता लास्ट लेटेस्ट आमची आता जुलयाची 27 एक केस लास्ट केस जालेली आणि ती केसीची डिसिजन पेंडिंग आहा अजून। डिसिजन अजूनपासून येवना की ड्रेजिंग करपाचेंय म्हूण येवना आनी ड्रेजिंग ना करपाचेंय म्हूण येवना। सो हे डिसिजन येयनासतना आयज हे एमपीटीन ड्रेजिंग स्टार्ट केला। हेजेर तुमकां क्लीन कट पळयटा हितून फुडें आसा तो ड्रेजर भितर आसलो तो हाडून भायर घालून तिणी स्टार्ट केला ड्रेजिंग। आनी आतां आमी वचोन सर्वे करून येयले, आमी फक्त आमी पर्सनली सर्वे करून येयले जाल्यार हेचो एक पळयटा तुमकां ड्रेजिंग येयली ती।
फेब्रुवारीन आमी केस घातलेली एमपीटीक ड्रेजिंग करनात म्हूण, तरी पूण तेणी जबरदस्ती ड्रेजिंग केलें। आनीक 2 म्हयन्याची आमकां स्टे मेवल्या। स्टे मेळोन लास्ट हियरींग जालां आमचें 27 गेल्या म्हयन्याचे 27 तारखेर लास्ट हियरींग जालां आनी तेजें जजमेंट आयज पासून येवंक ना। आनी हो जो पळय आयज तेणी ड्रेजर हाडून ब्रेक वॉटराक बांदून दवरल्यार 3 म्हयने जालो, तो 2 दीस जाले काडून तेणी परतो हाडून 9 नंबराक बांदलो। आयज काडून तेणी उदकाच्या मदीं घातला म्हणल्यार ह्या लोकांक फिशरमॅनाक आमी एमपीटीचेर केस घालून फायदो कितें? हो एमपीटी जाय ते भाशेन ड्रेजर भायर काडटा, हेका कोण ना विचारतलो? जोरी तर जे मेरेन आमकां कोर्टाची ऑर्डर येना पर्यंत आमकां जावं एमपीटीक कोर्टानसान ऑर्डर येना पर्यंत वो ड्रेजर तेणी काडून सायडीक बांदचो, नाजाल्यार तो कंपनीक ते परतो धाडचो। आनी जोरी तर हो तर ड्रेजर ऑर्डर येवचे पयलीं तर कॉमेस केलें ड्रेजिंग जाल्यार हेजो वायट परिणाम जातलो आनी कितें जातलें तें सांगपा जावपा ना। कित्याक आमी कायद्यान गेलोले हाय, तशेंच आयज एमपीटीन कायद्यान रावचें आनीक एक गोवोरमेंटाक हांव आमच्या गोंयच्या गोवोरमेंटाक एक वॉर्निंग दिता, एक हें दिता आमचो फिशरमॅनाचो डिमांड हेजेर मातशें तुमी लक्ष घालाय.